Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix EA your credentials have expired, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser and then go to ea.com. Once you're in, click on Profile on the top right. Now go to Sign In. From here, you can try resetting your password. However, if you've already tried this step and it didn't work for you, then click on your browser menu on the top right and then go to History. From here, go to Clear Browsing Data. Now, make sure all your data is selected and make sure the time is set for all time. Now, click on Clear Data. After it's done, go back to your sign-in page and try again. Your problem should be solved. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.